Hey everyone, this has been an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. This is the smaller version at 10.9 inches. It is not the over 12-inch version here. This one is an open box I bought from Best Buy. So normally these are $450. Right now they're currently on sale for $400. This one being open box was down to $360, so almost $100 off, which is pretty sweet. Going to the box itself, we see the tablet here. See if I can get it out here without dropping it or hitting the camera. Alright, so we'll come back to that in just a moment here. And like I said, this isn't a open box, so that's why there's no packaging on that. Otherwise, this actually looks really good. So we have our, I guess it has a micro SD card slot, maybe. Expansion for that. This is just going to be some paperwork. Nothing too exciting. Oh, your cable. So that'll be your cable. Then we do have the S Pen here as well, which is awesome. That is a nice gray color. Alright, so of course this is almost all full screen. We do have a camera there. You have your power button, your volume rocker there, mics. Looks like it'd be mics. We have a speaker there. We have our USB Type-C. Mine still has some plastic on it, so that is awesome. Actually, all the way around it. So it's plastic. Spot here for the keyboard attachment if you want to pay extra for that. Then we have that should be SD card slot expansion, I would imagine. And then we have a extra speaker there. Have our camera in the back there as well. So yeah, like I said, just a very quick unboxing. Do stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making a whole bunch of videos on this. A whole bunch of comparisons, some gaming tests, some Roblox tests, stuff like that. Thank you all for watching. As always, I do appreciate it. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.